Whoa, what up? What's up? Now we got something special. Now when you look at the box, you see the Kith and the LJ. Now these designs on here, I guess this represents like maybe Christmas and some kind of gift or something like that. I don't know. But right here, you got the 12, 30, 1984. That's December 30th, 1984, which is LeBron James' birthday. Right here, you got a signature on the side. You got the same Roman numerals on the other side. Okay, right here, you got the gold Nike check. You got the gold pull ring. You got the gold Kith and LJ. Now, this is the LeBron 15 Lifestyle Edition. It's multicolor with shades of burgundy, navy, sail, and olive. So let's check it out. You heard? Now I ain't gonna lie, they went in with the packaging. You know what I'm saying? And I already know a lot of y'all already seen this shoe. You know what I'm saying? But here we go. As you open the box, you see the King logo on the side, which is the lion with the crown on it. On the inside of the box, it comes with a couple of goodies. You got this grayish Kith strap. This is one of the halfway straps. Okay, then you also got the blue strap. Okay, you following me so far? Now this is the full strap, the one that goes all the way up to the ankle. See, the Kith one only goes halfway. You know what I'm saying? And it do come with instructions too. I forgot to pull a booklet out. But look, here it is. The LeBron 15 Kith Lifestyle Edition. I don't know how y'all feel about it. I'm digging it. Straight up. I'm already a LeBron fan, so to say. You know what I'm saying? Now along the straps, you see the "Long Live the King" printed all around. You know what I'm saying? It's a dope touch. Printed in gold on the white strap. Right here you got the gold zipper with the white little string with the gold tips. That's dope. I'm feeling these, man. There's something different. On the bottom you got that milky sole. Right here you got that King logo. Crushing it. You know what I'm saying? But continuing to look at the shoe, man, look on the back, you got that same Kith and LG logo on the back. You got that same logo right here at the end of the straps. I mean, this is a dope shoe, man. Everybody can't handle these, you know what I'm saying? Like, they're not able to rock these, you know what I'm saying? But who it was? Kith founder, what his name? Ronnie Fig, I think it is. So he worked with Nike to develop two versions of the LeBron James 15 silhouette. One for performance and the other one for lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? So the lifestyle just completely revamped the upper on the 15. You know, but it kept the original midsole. Now, the lifestyle version went with a more refined version of the fly knit instead of that so-called battle knit that you find on the original 15. You know what I'm saying? You see they got the sock-like collar right here. You know what I'm saying? And on the medial side, as you're about to see in a minute, because I am showing you, this is the version without the straps on it. Because you can rock this in three ways. With the halfway strap, the full strap, or no strap. Now you can see the curved zipper on the side. You know what I mean? I offer a little bit of a easier way to get in and out the shoe. Now if you look close, on this white leather, you can see that it has those Roman numerals. which signifies his birthday. I know the dudes in one of my other videos acting like I couldn't read Roman numerals. This for you, dude. You know what I'm saying? I just couldn't see it. You understand what I'm saying? But anyway, you know, the main difference between this lifestyle edition and the regular 15 is, you know, the strap system. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, they got 3 ways for you to rock this shoe, man. You could do the half strap, you could do the full strap, or you could do it like this here with no strap. You know what I'm saying? Either which way, you're gonna be killing it. You know what I'm saying? So let's see. Here it is with no straps. Get it? Now here it is with the full strap. No strap, full strap, no strap. You already get the picture, man. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, I'm feeling it. I think the shoe is dope. I think they need to continue to make some more colorways, because there'll be some definite cops for me. But like I say, man, I'm a fan of this shoe. You know, I know it's not for everybody. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. I'm more to show some of y'all really interested in seeing what it looked like or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Now, I'm going to come back a little bit later and do the on foot. You know what I'm saying? Because this is not my size. We don't have my size in store yet. But once I get my hands on it, you better believe an on foot coming. You understand what I'm saying? But, yeah, man, overall, I think it's a dope shoe. You know, I think it's fly that they gave you 3 different ways to rock the shoe. You know what I'm saying? And I mean, ain't too much more I could say. You know what I'm saying? I mean, let me know in the comments, man, if you're feeling them. If you're not, if you're planning on copping them, or if you copped them, if you didn't, if you hate them, whatever it is, man, it don't matter. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, share that thing. You understand what I'm saying? But I am giving you, you know, this was just a detailed look. You know, I couldn't give y'all the on foot. But oh yeah, look, here we go with you got the Nike check on the back of the pull tab. On the back, you see that high quality leather on the front pull tab, as you can see right here on the shoe without the strap. You know what I'm saying? I mean, man, look, I'm feeling it. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you think, man. Look, I want to thank y'all for watching. I appreciate the subscribers, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate the few little views that I'm getting, you know what I'm saying? But everything only gonna get better, man. But anyway, look, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAv504 or The Sneaker Peddler. And I'ma holler back.